Is the foreign income of NRIs who are staying in India taxed? Industry expert Mr. Gopal will elaborate on this now.
Normally, foreign income will not be taxed for a non-resident Indian in India. But when an NRI, he stays in India. So, for example, for few years means, so more than 182 days he is in India means he becomes a technically resident. Maybe resident, but not ordinary resident. Then his foreign income, he is actually giving services from India. So when he is having foreign income, how he will have foreign income? For example, he is working from India. So work from home or work from India, and then he is earning, maybe his employer is outside India. So then the law is very, very clear that the concept of, because you stay in India and income will be assumed to be, deemed to be accruing in India. So therefore, you have to pay tax in India also. But for the same income, you will be taxed twice. So that means in foreign country also you will be paid tax, and in India also you will be paying tax. So then you can take the benefit of double taxation avoidance agreement. So if your foreign employer has deducted tax or the tax withholding has been done, that can be taken as a tax credit in your Indian income tax return. And any delta tax alone you have to pay in India, else that is sufficient. So normally we have 190 countries in the world, and almost close to 95 98 countries, India has entered into a double taxation avoidance agreement. Few of our neighboring countries, we have not entered into the double taxation avoidance agreement, but the majority, India has entered into those agreements.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.